All right, welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. We bowl off with some cricket as the Jamaica Tallawahs will be a long shot to win tomorrow's semi-final in the Caribbean Premier League against the Trinbago Knight Riders. The two face off in the first semi-final of this year's tournament at 9 tomorrow morning. Here's Renata Brown.
The Jamaican franchise have failed to win in their last 4 matches with 3 losses and 1 no result, and are heading into a contest against the Trinbago Knight Riders team, which has won all of their 10 matches in the preliminary stage. All that make for grim reading for Tallawah supporters, who must be dreading the contest against the 3-time champions. If there is any hope for the Jamaican franchise, though, it may rest in the age-old law of averages. But the Jamaican franchise can't just pin their hopes on a mathematical theory. They must get good performances from their senior players if they are to stand any chance against the best team in the tournament. So says ESPN Cricket Info correspondent Peter Delapena. He sees it as a cohesive unit, taking on one full of individual star power.
Going into tomorrow, it's really the team collective of TKR against the individual superstar power of the Tallawahs, and it's going to take a special innings from Andre Russell and some special bowling performances from Sandeep Lemachani and Mujib, and one of the medium pacers is probably going to have to hold their hand up to, whether it's O'Shane Thomas or Brathwaite, somebody else. That's going to be the difference in whether or not the Tallawahs can have their individual players put in something magical versus the collective team output that the Knight Riders have done throughout 2020.
According to reports, the Knight Riders are likely to be without prolific opener Colin Monroe and could have a decision to make regarding American pacer Ali Khan and spinner Akeal Hussain. But they should be buoyed by the return of Sunil Narine, who has been a trump card with a bat and ball for the Knight Riders so far this season. The Tallawahs would be happy to have hard hitter Andre Russell back, although his troublesome knee may continue to prevent him from playing a part with the ball. The team will also likely opt for the spin option of Veersamy Permaul over the pace of O'Shane Thomas, who hasn't featured much this campaign. The match goes off at 9 tomorrow morning. The Ghana Amazon Warriors take on the St. Lucia Zeus in the other semi-final, which starts at 4:30. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.